Welcome to Urban Eco Habits. Today, we're diving into minimalist living with decluttering tips for small apartments. If you're ready to transform your space and simplify your life, you're in the right place. Minimalism is about living with less and finding joy in simplicity. It's perfect for small apartments where space is limited. Decluttering reduces stress, boosts productivity, and creates a peaceful environment. Here are some tips to help you declutter. First, start with a plan. Set realistic goals and break tasks into manageable steps. Use the 4-box method. Keep, donate, recycle, and trash. This helps you make quick decisions and stay organized. Declutter by category, starting with easier items like clothes. Apply the 1-year rule. If you haven't used it in a year, let it go. Maximize storage with underbed solutions and vertical shelves. Don't forget digital decluttering. Organize files and delete unused apps. Maintain your space by tidying up daily. Transform your apartment into a serene, minimalist haven. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Urban Eco Habits. Thanks for watching.